Farnaz. Your hot, sexy, and cutie birthday girl is all set to celebrate her birthday with India Forums. Farnaz is always excited for her birthday and she really loves the way her fans start her birthday countdown a month prior.
Happy birthday to me. Come on, guys, sing along with me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Farnaz. Happy birthday to me. This is really fresh and yum. First, मैं आप लोगों को खिलाती हूँ to my fans. They're lovely. Birthday plans right now, to be honest, every 15th night, 12 o'clock, I be with my mother, I be with my family and celebrate my birthday. We go in a restaurant, we have dinner together, and on the 16th night, I always be with my friends. So I wish कि इस बार भी ऐसे ही कुछ हो. Actually, to be honest, मैं ज़्यादा कुछ expect नहीं करती अपने दोस्तों से, and I mean, whatever they give me, surprise is a surprise. I like surprises, and like today also, like you came with a cake, and you know, this is a surprise for me, and I like this as well. I like everything. I'm not expecting anything. Seriously, like I keep reading Insta posts and pictures. Right now, I'm really active on Instagram. So I saw कि मेरी एक महीने पहले से they started कि 30 days to go, 29 days to go, and like बस. And now they're like, I just got a message कि 2 days to go. So I'm like, oh my god, अब finally आ गया है मेरा birthday. So it really feels good, you know, that fans are so much excited, and it's an overwhelming moment, and you really feel good कि you have somebody in life who always, you know, make you feel special. I don't know, मैंने ऐसे कौन से अच्छे कर्म किए हैं. I feel really good, and I'm blessed to have this. Yeah, I used to always wait. बचपन में एक बार ऐसा हुआ था कि I used to live with my grandparents when I was a kid. So my mama used to work. So वो आई नहीं थी, like 15th हो गया था date, and I was waiting for her. She was out of town, so I was waiting for her to come, and she couldn't come. I was waiting. Every birthday is special. How can she not come? And 16th she came. So like I always used to wait for my birthday. But now, you know, more than me, my fans wait for my birthday, and it's kind of, you know, balanced now. Now I am not really excited because I don't want to grow old.
Let us now start the India Forums birthday rapid fire. Any regrets of your life?
I know. I think, you know, I have taken, initially I used to feel जब कोई चीज़ इंसिडेंट बुरा हो जाता है तो ऐसा लगता है ये क्यों हुआ, ऐसा काश नहीं होता. बट वो हो जाने के बाद जब आपका सेकंड स्टेप आता है लाइफ में, एंड पिछले जो बुरा होता है उससे हम कुछ सीखते हैं, तो ऐसा लगता है कि अच्छा, दिस हैपेंड फॉर अ रीज़न. So I always connect the dots, and I think everything, whatever happens in life, happens for a reason. And I take it very sportingly. So initially when I was 16-17-year-old, I used to regret for many things. Now I take it sportingly. Now I think every person should take it sportingly and learn from it. Life is uncertain, and you got to be मुझे ऐसा लगता है industry is very uncertain, and you don't know what is going to happen next, and which person is going to react in what way, and people here are very sensitive. So I have changed into a better person always, and what I've learned is I've got to be very professional, and I have to be prepared for everything whatever comes in my way. So that's what I've learned.
Any rumor about yourself that hurts you?
Yeah, the one rumor that really hurts me is my and Digangana's issue. It's my birthday, so I'll be very honest. I never did anything intentionally, and I never hurted anybody. And the rumor which came out that, you know, once a rumor comes out, the other person also is being dragged in, and I was being dragged in for many things, and I feel bad about it, because if you do it something intentionally, you don't feel bad about it. But if you're dragged in something intentionally, then you really feel bad about it. And you know, it's been 1 year that the show has gone shut, but still some or the other way I am dragged into such things, and I feel bad about it, because I'm not kind of a person who will ever harm anybody or anything. So that's how I am, and this is the only thing that I feel bad about, and I will move on with this as well. I'll take it as a lesson in life. Yeah, that's it. It hurts because people are very judgmental. See, if you don't know anything about me, you will be like whatever you listen, a rumor. You'll definitely think whenever you meet me once, if at first, ki, okay, maybe this is true and Farnaz is like this. Okay, you will be judgmental towards me, and I don't like anybody being judgmental towards me. So this rumor has put in that image of mine, wherein I always take care of my image a lot, and I will never. I'm not that kind of a person who will ever do something like that. So that is something that hurts me. That people are judging me for something that I've not done.
Any destinations in your bucket list?
I want to go to the US. Okay. Yeah, and I want to go. I want to learn. I want to explore more of acting. I might go and learn the Stanislavski system. Yeah, that's in my wish list.
Any male friends from the industry close to you?
So the maximum time I've spent with any guy in the industry, that's Shivan Narang. He is a very nice person, and whenever we spend time together, we are very comfortable. We have crossed a comfort level, I would say. So yeah, he's the only person I know really well, and he also knows me that well. And I don't think so. Apart from him, nobody.
India Forums wishes Farnaz a very happy birthday and lots of success in her upcoming years. For more updates, subscribe on YouTube to India Forums. Addiction at its best. Ashima Chavda, camera person Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Farnaz Shetty. You're watching me on India Forums. Subscribe India Forum on YouTube.